Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvie, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I am so glad you're here. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 36. I need a photo or illustration of a garden, and I have this lovely lady in her garden. She's going to go right there. I need a monochrome design, and this is the closest I could come to that. That's going to go kind of right up here. And I need an image of a ladder or stairs, and I couldn't really find anything except this house with some stairs right here. And a clipping with numbers. I don't know, not in frame there. I'm going to cut these numbers out unless I can find some better numbers somewhere. And decorative paper with florals right here, and an image of a glass is the bonus, and I have this little martini glass or whatever that is. So first thing I'm going to do is glue down my background. I hope you are all doing good. I'm going to use this glue right here, and just glue the paper down, or put the glue on the paper. Let's put it that way, the background paper. Not this, but this. I think it's easier that way. There. Okay. So I'm going to put this down and try to line it up perfectly. I think I did a pretty good job. I get my roller out like Nicole from Relax Cut Glue. She uses a roller now, and so do I. Alright, this I think is the next thing I've got to glue down. I'm going to glue most of it down, but not all of it. Ugh, this glue is really messy. So let's put that like that. That's my monochromatic design. That was weird. There. Okay. I'm going to cut it off. And it's Saturday, September 6th as I'm filming. What are you doing this weekend? We have this thing in a nearby town called Colorscape. We tried to go to that, but it was pouring rain, and I just didn't feel like walking around in the pouring rain, even with an umbrella. So I dropped my husband off, and he said he was going to look around a little bit, and I went to Walmart. And also, we did get lunch, though. So that was nice. And then this was going to go like right about here. And this here, I just have to make sure that I don't cover up the stairs with her. So, I'll do that. And then tomorrow we're having our son and my husband's birthday party, which will just be like a little cookout. And then there's something in the park here where we live, like a little, just like a little festival where food trucks and people come with not really things, not like crafty things, although some of them are crafty things, but it's really more like a flea market, or what some people call a car boot sale in the UK, that kind of thing. Alright, she's going to go right here. I feel like I need to move her over, though, so we don't cover up the stairs. And so we might check that out after the party. And I did find a butterfly, a monarch, drying his wings on our Joe Pye weed, And that means that he had just hatched out of a chrysalis, which I discovered. I didn't notice the chrysalis at first, and when I saw the butterfly, it was just hanging there and kind of twirling, and I'm like, why would it be doing that? And I looked it up, and it said it would only be doing that if it was just hatched out of its chrysalis and drying its wings. And lo and behold, there was an empty chrysalis right next to it. And I'll put some pictures up of that because I was really thrilled about that. So our milkweed did at least feed one monarch caterpillar this year, and that makes me happy. All right, let's do this. Then I need my little cup and my numbers. I'm probably not going to put every one of those numbers down here, but we're going to put this cup right here. A weird little collage. You can see this on her head. There was some kind of writing on her head. So I was wondering if I could find some numbers that would match better than the red ones. And I'm going to look through here because now I can't even find the red ones. So I'll look through it and come back. Alright, so I found these green numbers, which I thought might look nice. And I found some pink numbers that are pretty much the same color as the flowers on the background. But I'm not sure which ones I'm going to like the best. But I know that it's not going to be the red ones. I'll save that for something else. I'm sure there'll probably be other prompts that need numbers down the road. We've got this. That looks kind of cute. I mean, I could just put a bunch of numbers. It doesn't have to be one, only one of them. Oop. My scissors must be sticky. Everything's sticking to them. And then we have this. So what if I put that up there and that down there? I think that's what we'll do. I think that's good. I don't think we need the green numbers. Definitely not the red numbers. So, whoops. Okay. Put this kind of off to the side. Right there. This is going to go like that. And I believe that's the end of it. That's it. We're all done. Let's see. We have our photo of an illustration or garden. A photo or illustration of a garden. Monochrome design up here. Stairs right here. Looks like there's a cannon in the front too. I think that is a cannon. That's weird. A clipping with numbers right there and there. And the decorative paper with flowers and the glass. That's it. I even used the bonus this time. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.